Welcome guys to the ultimate pocket test. The test is very simple. I'll be wearing my everyday going out pants and I'll be putting some really popular earbuds in my pocket and then we'll see how it looks like from the outside. Unlike a typical test, there's not gonna be a winner and a loser because obviously the earbuds with the smallest case will also look the most discreet. Rather, this is meant to just show you guys how the earbuds are gonna look in your pocket. Because who knows, some of you might be considering buying the Sony WF-1000XM3, but you're not sure if the case will fit nicely in your pocket or not. Others might already have the Sony XM3 earbuds, but are just wondering if there's another pair of earbuds out there that can be more portable, easier to slip in your pocket, etc, etc. If you're one of these people, then this video is for you. Of course, not only am I going to do this with the Sony earbuds, I'm also going to do this test with earbuds from other brands like Apple, Sennheiser, Jabra, JBL, Samsung, etc, etc. So this is going to be exciting. Let's begin. Alright, first the Sony XM3 earbuds. I guess it's alright. Front view, side view. Yeah, it's not bad. Next, the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, the case is small to begin with, so it's pretty discreet. Side view. Doesn't stick out a lot. Front view. The other side. Not bad. The Master and Dynamic MW07 Plus. Well, it's a pretty thick case, so actually, for a pretty thick case, it's not that bad. It's a little like the XM3 earbuds. Wait, Sony's A to B comparison. I think the Sony's are a little more obvious than the 07 Plus. Would you agree? The Klipsch T5 truly wireless earbuds. Now, this one's my favorite because it's very stylish. It's like a Zippo lighter. Would it fit as easily in the pocket? Let's see. There's a pretty noticeable bulge. Yeah, see? Bulging. Front view is not so obvious, but from the side, because it's a fat and small case, so it budges out. The Sony's, on the other hand, is also a fat case, but it's broad, so it doesn't. When the bulge is less noticeable. See? Okay, some earbuds from JBL. We have the very popular JBL 3X. Wait, let me open it. Yep. JBL 3X. Where it's a circular bulge. It's a pretty big case, but let's see how the Tune 120 stacks up to it, because this is a slightly smaller case. Tune 120. Yeah, it's a little more discreet than the 3X, that's for sure. Next, we've got the Sennheiser Momentum Truly Wireless Earbuds. One of our favorites. Yeah, it's a slightly thicker bulge than the Sony's, so it sticks out a little more. But if you're wearing like loose pants like I am, it's not that noticeable. Unless you're seen from the side, then yeah. But otherwise, if it's head on, it's not that noticeable. Next, we have the AirPods Pro. Small, thin, broad. So I'm expecting great things from this one. Yeah! Look! Barely noticeable from the front, from the side. Compare this to the Sony's. Sony's take up more space for sure. Sticks out a bit more too. Well, no, not a bit more. It's quite a bit more. Cool. So, AirPods Pro, guys. Audio-Technica CK3TW. Great battery life, but how does it fit in my pocket? And this feels a bit like the Klipsch T5. In front, it's not so obvious, but because it's small and thick, so it sticks out. Okay, let's see how it compares to the Klipsch. Nah, the Klipsch is more obvious. Yeah, it's got sharper angles, so it shows up a bit more than the Audio-Technicas. Alright, these are the Earfun free. Less than $50, great budget earbuds. How does it look in my pocket? Yeah, I guess it's pretty okay for a pair of $50 earbuds. Sticks out quite a bit. Head on is not so bad, but yeah, it does stick out quite a bit. Alright, now the Jabra Elite 75T. Very small case. They've reduced the size from the previous model. So when you put it in your pocket, barely noticeable from the front. From the side, little bulge there. But still very, very acceptable. See? So even as a bulge, it doesn't look that bad. But if you compare it to the previous model, which is already a very small case, Elite 65T, yeah, it's quite a difference, eh? If we compare it to the AirPods Pro, the AirPods Pro is slightly more discreet because it's a little thinner. This one sticks out maybe a little more than the AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro. Razer Hammerhead TW. All you gamers out there, these are great earbuds to have because super low latency. Now, how does it look in your pocket? Will you look dumb in front of your friends? I guess not. No, these look pretty good because they're very thin, right? And they're long, so if you slip it in this way, this direction, it doesn't really stick out. So I think it's safe to conclude that most of the truly wireless earbuds tested in this video will show some sort of bulge when you put them in your pocket. Some more than others though. Like, I was kind of surprised how, though the Sony's case is bigger than the case of the Klipsch T5 truly wireless earbuds, the Klipsch stood out more than the Sony's. The bulge was a little more obvious, and this is because of the way it's designed. Yes, it's a more narrow case very squarish. It does have, however, sharp edges, so that has an impact on how much it sticks out from your pocket. Obviously, the earbuds that were the most discreet in my pocket tended to be those with cases that were smaller, thinner, etc. Like the AirPods Pro, Samsung Galaxy Buds, the Jabra Elite 75T. But in general, as far as size is concerned, I think things are heading in the right direction. Like, you are starting to see earbuds with cases that are smaller but hold far more battery than before. For example, in the year 2018, the JBL Free X was launched. It has 24 hours of battery life in total, both earbuds and the case. Look at its size. So it's not that small, isn't it? But if you compare it to what Apple launched in 2019, this holds the same up to 24 hours of battery in total. Look at the size difference. The AirPods Pro, thinner, smaller, same battery life. So, in the coming year, we can expect to see more of such earbuds with cases that are smaller but hold more battery and thus more pocket-sized, easier to fit in your pocket, more discreet. And this is, to me, very exciting. But what about you guys? Like, is size a huge factor for you when it comes to truly wireless earbuds? Is it a deal breaker? And if you already own a pair of wireless earbuds, do you prefer to keep your case in your pocket or in your bag, or leave them at home when you go out for lunch maybe? Tell me in the comments section below. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, you can show that you like this video by punching that like button with a vengeance, Bruce Lee style, and sharing this video with your friends and family to support my channel. And also, please subscribe if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload new videos every single week, and this is the only way YouTube will notify you. I've got more videos coming up soon, so I'll see you again, bros and sisters, in the next one.